Starting Temu Dropshipping on Shopify involves a few key steps. Choose a niche. Select a niche within the Temu marketplace that interests you and has demand. Temu is a platform that connects Indonesian suppliers with global buyers, so consider products that have export potential. Set up your Shopify store. Create a Shopify account and set up your online store. Choose a theme that aligns with your niche and customize it to reflect your brand. Install dropshipping apps. Install dropshipping apps that integrate with Temu, such as Oberlo or DSers. These apps allow you to easily import products from Temu to your Shopify store. Import products. Use the dropshipping app to import products from Temu to your Shopify store. Select products that fit your niche and have good potential for sales. Optimize product listings. Write compelling product descriptions, add high-quality images, and set competitive prices for your products to attract customers. Market your store. Promote your Shopify store through various channels such as social media, influencer marketing, and search engine optimization to drive traffic and generate sales. Fulfill orders. When customers place orders on your Shopify store, use the dropshipping app to fulfill them by ordering from the Temu supplier. The supplier will then ship the products directly to your customers.